idea of providing passengers with parachutes in case of an emergency is often discussed. But why is this idea not yet implemented? Here we have some important reasons. Number 1. Aircraft speed and altitude. Commercial airplanes cruise at high altitude, typically around 35,000 feet, and speeds over 500 miles per hour. At these altitudes, the air is too thin to breathe without oxygen, and the temperatures are extremely cold. Passengers jumping out would need specialized equipment and training to survive. Reason number 2. Training and panic. Most passengers are not trained in parachute use. In an emergency, the chaos and panic would make it incredibly difficult to ensure that everyone correctly uses the parachute. Properly exiting an aircraft with a parachute requires training and composure, which is unlikely in an emergency situation. Number 3. Aircraft design. The design of commercial airplanes doesn't easily allow for safe parachuting. Exiting an aircraft at high speed would be dangerous due to strong wind forces, and the cabin is pressurized. Opening doors at cruising altitude is nearly impossible and dangerous. Number 4. Passengers' safety and logistics. Even if the above issues were resolved, getting hundreds of passengers to safely jump out in an orderly manner would be highly impractical. Additionally, ensuring that all passengers land safely would be another challenge. Number 5. Cost and practicality. Equipping every passenger with a parachute and the necessary training would be prohibitively expensive and logistically challenging. The weight of the parachutes would also increase fuel consumption and ticket prices. For these reasons, airlines and aircraft manufacturers focus on improving the safety and reliability of the aircraft themselves, as well as on emergency procedures that can be managed within the aircraft, such as emergency landing and the use of safety equipment on board. Additionally, a Russian engineer proposed an innovative idea of creating a detachable passenger cabin that would automatically separate from the plane in case of an emergency. This cabin would have ability to safely land on both land and water. He spent about 3 years developing this project and successfully invented an aircraft with this safe passenger cabin. Follow for more.